Hello there and welcome, or perhaps welcome back to this channel, Mr. TraveLux. I'm so glad you've taken a moment to stop by this channel. Here, this channel, we have everything you need to know about Sandals and Beaches Resorts. Today, we're standing in the NPV category here at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort. So this is a wonderful club level room. So this is going to be the poolside club level villa room. And in this room here, I look forward to showing you some of the amenities. It does come with all the amenities that Club Sandals comes with. I won't talk too much about the differentiation between the room tiers in this video, but we have plenty of other videos about that, talking about the 3 tiers of Sandals, the entry tier called Luxury, the mid-tier Club Sandals that comes with a lot of extra things, including your own dedicated concierge service inside of the Club Sandals Lounge, and then of course the pinnacle of service, which is Butler Elite. So this room here is going to be that mid-tier, which is the Club Sandals. And so any questions you have about that, of course, you can drop them in the comments below. Speaking of comments, my team and I at Reliant Destinations, we are your go-to experts for everything sandals and beaches. We have received nearly every award there is to be had when it comes to sandals and beaches, and most importantly, we live and breathe sandals and beaches. So any questions you have, you can reach out and hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. It's worth mentioning, again, 100% complimentary, so no cost to you. We always say, if you're not reaching out, you might be missing out. So again, best service, best value, and of course, the best expertise is waiting for you. So whether it's this room or any other room and suite or amenity or resort across the Sandals and Beaches family, just reach out and we're here to help. But for now, let's go ahead and dive straight into this amazing NPV room tour here at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort. Let's go. There you have it. This has been your insider peek of the NPV room here at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort. Thanks again for stopping by this channel. Do make sure to like and subscribe for endless more content about Sandals and Beaches Resorts. And also, of course, if you wish to have a peek at our new company, Reliant Cruising, which is an exclusive partner with Regent 7 Seas Ultra Luxury Cruises. Any questions you have about anything Sandals and Beaches, again, our services are 100% complimentary. You can reach out hello@reliantdestinations.com, and also on our website, which is mycaribbeanluxury.com. There's so much information there, you don't want to miss that. You'll even find a special tool there which helps you decide which resort and which experience is the best for you. So don't miss that. Thanks again for stopping by. I can't wait to see you here back on the channel, or perhaps even sometime in resort. Take care. We'll see you around next time.